My husband's together his $200 remote control car. Did y'all hear that beeping sound? Let's see how much. Let's see how this works. You have to build it.
Don't judge me. I worked on a long time to get this car.
$200, people. He put it on layaway, so not too bad. Took it how much? Sheldon, how long it took you to pay for that? You see? $200. Oh gosh. Here we go. First time testing it. Let's see.
By the way, the car goes 30 miles an hour.
We care because what? See, down the street. Whoa, that thing went fast for real. See, guys, my husband's remote control car.
Where's the car?
Right there. Ah! It goes over. I guess that's what $200. That's too much for a car. I'm sorry. Whoa. How much you guys think is too much to pay for a car?
Oh, I gotta fix the thing.
Fix what? Our neighbors are gonna. Really? That is so embarrassing.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, why? He's talking to our neighbors. Can't even keep up with it. We're in front of our house.
I gotta fix the thing.
Now it's broken?
Oh.
You hear it beeps. Sheldon, when Kendall gets home, oh my gosh, you got to put that up. Our son is in Miami for the summer. So, he didn't see this yet. He's going to break it, and my husband's going to have a fit. Sheldon, leave the people alone, really? Are you happy with this toy?
Yes.
Wow. You should do a product review on this because I'm trying to figure out why it costs so much. This is how it looks. No, it's stuck.
Why is it stuck?
I don't know. I don't play with cars. I don't know.
Why are you touching my car? Lisa, don't touch my car. It's pulling to one side.
It looked like the wheel.
Oh.
The wheel's broken. On the other side, it looked like it popped off. You see it? Oh, you have to take that back.
It clips on.
Oh, it clips on?
Supposed to. I don't see what holds it.
How you open up the box and the wheel's not working?
Okay.
Where's the car? Oh, I see it.
By the way, if you get the upgraded battery, it'll go 40 miles an hour.
And you need that because what? Why?
You want it to go a little faster?
You see that?
And it's waterproof.
I don't get it. It's worth the money.
Yeah.
You think so?
Battery dead already.
Okay, so well, you didn't charge it.
Yeah, I did.
How long you charged it?
It is completely dead.
Okay, well, you need to go charge it. Okay, that's it. $200. So now you guys, newsflash: do not buy an expensive remote control car because the battery lasts for 30 minutes. That's it. Sheldon, what? You remember the one the guy, our next door neighbor had?
Our next door neighbor.
Yeah, the other at our other house. Remember?
Next door neighbor.
Remember he had the one that had the oil in it, the gas in it.
Oh yeah. Those are very fast. Those go 50 miles an
That's why
hour.
I think that's why he got that gas because our neighbor had that mess, and he said he was gonna always buy himself a remote control car, so that's why he got it.
What neighbor?
The one in Evans, the guy, Jackie, the man who lived next door to us, who gave Kendall the remote control car the last time.
He didn't have no fast
Yes, he
car.
did. He had a remote control car. That's why he gave Kendall that other car.
Because he bought the real
He
one.
bought the real one. Yes, and he was
Never
out.
seen him use it.
I did. He was outside using it. He asked me, did he want to give Kendall that old remote control car?
Right, because he bought a
Because
real
he
one.
bought a new
But I
one.
never seen him play with the real
Yeah,
one.
I saw him play with it.
It was that fast?
Yes. All right. Good night, people.